Hello student, this is the question GATE 2005, 1 mark. Consider the entity hotel, hotel room and person has many to many relationship and lodging is shown as below. We wish to store the information about the rent. We want to store the rent, so either we store here, yeah, we store here, or we store here made by many person occupied in different hotel. Then this information should be appear in the attribute of. He is saying कि we want to add the rent attribute, then in which of the pair we add the rent, either it is in hotel room, either it is in person, either it is in lodging. So we will discuss one by one. If we take the rent is add in hotel room, getting my point, entity hotel room, then what will happen? Let's suppose we are talking about hotel entity, then hotel room में hotel ID, room number and rent is also there. So hotel ID is something 101, room 10123 and room number is 201. So what will happen? This room, yeah, this hotel name, rent is paid by many people. Let's suppose first day I paid that room rent, another day you paid this room rent, and another day another one person is paying that room rent. So here one hotel rent is paid by many people, getting my point. So RDBMS does not contain any many to multi-valued attribute. So we can't add in hotel room the attribute rent, because the rent is not paid by only one person, it is paid by many person, getting my point. But if we add in person side, then what will happen? Let's suppose person ID, that is Aadhaar, hotel and rent. Let's suppose person number Ajay, living in hotel X and paid the rent. Then what will happen? Ajay in same day, yeah, in another day, yeah, not only Ajay, after the Ajay, Mahesh live in hotel X and paid the room rent, getting my point. So this one rent is paid by two person, so it is also contained the multi-valued. So we don't add the rent attribute at person side, so we add in lodging side, because in this you can clearly mention hotel ID, person ID and rent, then you can fit here there. So the rent is attribute add in the lodging side, because these two are not satisfying. Clear hai? You can see here, according to given ER diagram, hotel room contain all information about the hotel rooms and the person contain many rent is paid by the many person for a one room, getting my point. And person contain all information related to person, where any person do payment for a rent room, that will be stored inside the lodging relation. Why lodging? Because I already will take the example, because one rent, hotel room rent is paid by the many people and one person is living in many hotels and paid the rent in many different hotel. That's why the rent attribute is stored in the lodging, getting my point. Okay, thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.